Shares of super microcomputers are in play this week. Let's turn to day trader Mike Shorr. Mike, tell us about your trade in SMCI.
I'm looking at SMCI. So a couple days ago, SMCI came out with some really nice numbers on deliveries of their GPU. We saw a really nice move to the upside. We're seeing some profit taking here. So let's let them do that, and then we'll play on the good news. So I'm looking at my hourly chart here, and I'm looking for a pullback to the 50-hour moving average, which right now is at 43.86. So 43.86, something like the 44 call or something like that. Or, if you want to go further out on money, that's fine for cheaper. But yeah, 43.86. And then hopefully we get those sellers to take those profits and then back up with on the good fundamental news.
What do you think about the moves in crude oil this week?
Yeah, well, it's a little confusing. On Tuesday, oil came off over 5%. It's not finishing there. We saw a little bit of a bounce, but it's not going to take too much to send that oil market back up there. So I think this was a little bit of a bull trap for people playing the unrest in the Middle East. And then we get one day of not anything major happening, and suddenly oil gets run over. I think that now I think we're going to see some traders load up here. So it's been a very volatile, and it follow the news, which is very, very difficult to do, because unless you are, a big institutional trader or maybe with some inside channels, you're going to be second, third, fourth, fifth to the news. But that's what the market has been moving on. Not so much fundamentals. That'll happen later on in the week when we get CPI, PPI, and the initial print on the Michigan consumer confidence number.
Thank you, Mike. Plenty to watch in the market.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.